Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. We came back again to you, my friend. And as you see, my friend, there is nothing new. That candle here, it's showing us we are in very bad moment for the Bitcoin. As you see it, my friend, it's just the daily candle closing now. And it's showing us we are in very, very bad moment. And I show you before here what else we got here in that zone. Show you that one before, and now it's breaking for us, my friend, as you see it. And now you calculating from here, and you make it like that. As I tell it to you before, also we go into 17k. That's what the chart telling us, my friend, because it's breaking for us here, that one. So it's a very clear picture, nothing to hide here. It's a very bad moment, my friend. That's the only things I can tell you. Let's go now to the weekly to show you more. Here in the weekly, my friend, as you see it, the last week, the candle, that one, when it's breaking for us the 200 moving average, that one, it's continued down. So I think we are going to head for down, my friend. The last low is it here, at that one here, at that 17k. Now let's see if it's going to hold for us here at that zone here or no. If it's not, also we're going to head for down, crash, my friend, maybe what I told you before, till 10k. Everything is too clear, my friend. I don't want to, because that thing is very, very stressful, my friend. If you are a trader, you know what me I'm talking about. The only things there is in the Forex, me are inter-short in those things. Like I inter-short in British pound, in the Euro USD. So like that, we are not losing a lot. Our indicator, my friend, it's still showing here. Also, we are at the oversold area. As you see it, my friend. So I think it's the right time to buy, but the chart up, it doesn't show that here. The chart here, as I tell it to you before, you need to be in a place like here. Also, we are in a supply and demand zone. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it, my friend, here, what you see in here, in that zone, here, that one here, in 2018, that the last high of 2018. So it's a very stronger supply and demand zone, but here there is no price action telling you we are going to head for another run. That's the only things I can say. So the other zone, my friend, we have is it here, down here, as you see it, at 10k. That's why those people they saying also we are going to go to 10k. Is it the zone here? So you need to make a close eye at those things, my friend. As I tell it to you, also we got here a zone. That one here at 19k. Another one is it here at 10k. Another one is it down here at 6,000. And that one is going to be the baddest scenario I have ever happening to me in my life if we falling down to 6,000. So now we have here that zone as I tell it to you where we are now. Then another place as I tell it to you is it here at 10k. If that one doesn't hold of 10k, we are going to head down here to 6,000, my friend. So you need to put always those scenarios in the hand, my friend. So now here, also we buy from here before. Now you keep some money, my friend. If it fall down till here, till 10k, we buy more. If it doesn't, the 10k hold, we need to buy from 6,000, my friend. That's the only scenarios we have. And that the market is instructor, my friend. There is nothing more than that, and I'm going to update you tomorrow about the weekly and in Sunday, because the last week, the last days of the week, or that what else we doing, we've been analyzing only the Bitcoin because the other markets they are closed. Everything is too clear, my friend. Now it's going back to the daily to show you more. And here in the daily, my friend, everything is too clear in front of you. As I tell it to you, we got here those zones. Let's hope it's going to hold for us. If it's not, I told you where we are going to head for. And here, as you see, that white one here, that one here, I showed it to you in the previous video. I told you that one is the long-term trend, that one, that white one. So let's hope that one is going to hold for us. And it's going to come here, a candle, to do like that, to give us a big pin bar there, like that, in that zone here, or to give us here double candles like this, or something like that. It will tell us we are going to head for another run. But now everything is looking black, my friend. As you see it, when it's breaking for us that channel here or that flag here, it's showing us we are going to go down, but I don't know. What can I say? Let me show it to you, that flag. As you see, my friend, also here we used to have here a flag like that from here and here. And in the top we used to have it like that. Now that candle here is breaking for us, my friend. So we need to come here to that zone here like that. And we calculate it like that, my friend. Here that flag is showing us we are going to 10 to 12,000, my friend. And I show you all those things before. Here it is. We make the calculation together and we said if it's breaking for us that flag down, also we go into 12,867 here exactly, my friend. So, but that one is just technical analysis, my friend, because if it go in there, as you see here, my friend, what else we got? We got from that zone here, that one, and that one here, we got a falling wedge. So if it go down till here till 12,000, that means it's going to break for us that wedge down, and that one is going to be the best scenario, my friend. That means you need to calculate them from here, and you're going to see Bitcoin, as I tell it to you, at 6,000 or something. And that one, no one wants that things, but the Jerome Powell is against us. He's still showing he want to increase interest rate more and more, and that Bitcoin is following the stock market. So also we're still in a downtrend, my friend. Oh, let's wait the coming days what they are going to bring to us, my friend. And now let's see our indicators, my friend, what they're saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's breaking for us the trend line. And another thing, he breaking for us the last low here. So as you see it, my friend, also we are down the net. Now I think we are headed now to oversold. As you see it, my friend, you can even draw now a trend line like this. Like that, you can draw now a trend line like that. But also we are not going to draw it now. I'm going to update you in the future, my friend. Now we are headed now to the oversold, my friend. But till now, nothing confirmed, my friend. The only thing, that one here, it need to come back and touch the trend line again. Then after that, it need to fall down. So everything is too clear, my friend. Let's wait in the weekly candle when it's going to finish, what's going to tell us. And let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, my friend, as you see, is near to enter the oversold area, but not yet. Man, it's still room for downside, my friend, for the Bitcoin to fall down more. So make a close attention at those levels, my friend. And here, the fair and great index, my friend. As if you remember, and you've been someone who following us, what I told you we got a level here between 20 and 5, like that. And as you see it, my friend, it hasn't come down to touch the 20 or 5. So it's still here near to 30. Now is at 28. So it's still for it room to fall down more. And here in the top, we got a level between 60 and 45, like that. So as you see, when it touches here, and now it's falling, my friend. And if you remember what I told you before, I told you we have here a trend line like that. If you remember, I told you we have it from here and here. And we used to have it even here. Now it's break it for us. And it's going back to test it like that. So I think we are going to head lower more. Let me show it to you. As you see it, my friend, what else we used to say? We said we got here a trend line like that. Like that. As you see it, my friend, it used to come from here, from lower here, and here, and here, in that place here. What it did here, it fall down. Now it's going back to test it again. Then after that, it's going to fall down, my friend. So I think we are going to head now for another crash for the crypto market, my friend. Everything is in front of you, my friend. Let's go back to the chart. So everything in front of you, my friend. Nothing to add more. Let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, as you see it here, it came to that level as we said, and it came to the lower of the channel here. And as you see, the volume down is very high red. So I don't know what's going to happen now. And here you can even draw here like that, a trend line like that. If you want to enter, you need to wait in the trend line to be broken. So you need to make a close eye at those things. Let me show it to you. Like that, my friend. You can come here, from that zone here, like that, and you draw it like that, a trend line. So if you're going to enter long, it needs to break for you the trend line, my friend. Till now you still in a going down trend line. As you see here, low, give you here another high, and here I give you another low. So what that meant, my friend, lower, low. Yes, it's going to happen on a small correction like that, but as we still in a downtrend, no matter how long as we still down in 200 moving average, as we still headed for down, my friend. Everything in front of you, my friend, nothing hard, nothing complicated. Everything is so easy, my friend. And I show you before here in the 4 hours what else we got. I show you here, we got like that, a head and shoulder, my friend, like that. As you see it, is very clear now here in the 4 hours. Try to explain it like that to you, my friend, for everyone to understand what else we saying. And now it's breaking for us here the lower of the neck, or the level of the neck. That was we call it in trading. The level of the neck is that one down here. It's been broken now, so now you need to come here and you calculate them from that zone here, the highest point, and you make it like that. So it's going to go down to 17k, my friend. That's what the chart telling us till now. So there is no buying, no selling now, my friend. The only thing now, you need to wait in the market when it's going to go upward again. As I tell it to you, my friend, and I show you in the weekly, if you are an investor, the levels, you need to make a close eye at them and to put pending orders there. I told you, now the level also we got is 17k. After 17k, if it's getting broke, it's if it's going to hold or not. If 17k getting broke, also we go into 11k. If 11k broke, also we go into 6k, my friend. And that one is the baddest scenario and no one wanted in the world of trading. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's still showing here. Also, we enter here at the oversold area. But if you remember what I told you, even if you enter at the oversold area, don't buy unless if you are in a level like here. When it's going to touch that level here, it's going to make a smaller bounce up. Then after that, it's going to continue because over here, a lot of people, they waiting to buy in that level. Or it might from that level of 17k here. I'm talking here about the supply and demand zone here at 17k. How we draw it, I show you before. You can go back and watch our previous videos, how we draw that level. Let me show it to you, how we draw it. You just came here to the lower of that one and those ones here. Then you draw it like that, a square there. So that supply and demand zone here is very stronger. Last time from it, the price, it moved all that time. Now when it's going to touch it, let's going to see what's going to happen till now. But now as I tell it to you, it gives us here that head and shoulder and it's breaking for us the flag, all those things. So I'm going to update you in the coming days, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. It's going now to 30 minutes to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture should be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, that the place for scalpers and those things. So if you are a scalper, you can enter here. Here we used to have here a flag, if you remember, and you've been someone who following us for some time. And we said when it's going to be broken, and now it's being broken, my friend, as you see it. Same thing is going to 19k here at 30 minutes. So don't enter buy now. As I tell it to you, I told you the levels also we got. And also we said the target, if it's breaking for you, is going to be here, that red one here. And that's what also we make it before. I'm talking about that one here. If you see it, my friend. Now, as you see it, my friend, is it in a big falling now? I think we are going to go to that level, and that level also we put it here, if you remember it. And you've been someone who following us for some time here. We said the level when it's going to fall down 19,462. And I will tell you how we make it. We used to have a wedge at the 4 hours. That's how we make that level here. And the down levels, even them had like that, how we make them. So now I think also we are going to go here, my friend, to that zone here, to 19,462. Then after that, we are going to see what's going to happen, my friend. Till now, there is no buying, no nothing, my friend. Everything, it's look black. I'm going to update you tomorrow, my friend. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, my friend.